Okay, today we're going to dig up a leaking pipe that's causing sewer to get all over the yard out here. We're going to see if we can find where it's leaking. That's what I'm talking about. Come on, man, it's not that bad. Okay, so this is what we're dealing with. That's not mud. And we're going to dig it up and see where it's leaking. Yesterday when I ran pressure on the pipe, it just started pouring water out of the ground right here. So I'm pretty sure we got a busted pipe in between the house and the septic system. So let's dig it up. Oh. All right. Yeah, once again, that ain't mud. Easy. Come on, man, it's not that bad. It's getting muddier. Stop, man. Come on.
Get you a whiff of that. Holy fuck. Bro.
You almost got it.
That almost got my ass.
It's not that bad, man.
That smell is bad.
It's that's why you get paid the big bucks.
I ain't getting paid no big bucks for this. Holy fuck, this shit stinks. Oh. Oh.
It's not bad, man.
Dude, you crazy.
Well, you're almost to the bottom.
I feel the pipe.
Do you really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Playing in shit today.
Yeah. Ugh.
Yeah, you got your whip?
Yeah. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go take the. We're gonna go cut. Well, I think we're gonna cut their water off. We're gonna go get the sump.
Yeah.
Now I can just blow clean water up it right now and get it all, clean water out from the other side. I blow the water in. It comes out the pipe. It comes up. Or we just sump it out and try to see what we're dealing with here. Because when you can't even see it,
It don't matter, whatever you want to do.
Yeah, hook a 1-inch pipe to it, and then put the 90 on it and send it, far away from us. So let's go. Extension cord. Okay, we're back. We're gonna hook the sump pump up and try to clear out that hole. See if we can see where the hole or where the broken pipe is. These extension cords plugged in.
I ain't gonna say it, but it smells like shit over here.
Okay.
Like they did that shit quick. Alright. Set her in there.
Don't you plug that thing in until I get
I'm not.
10 miles away.
That didn't sound good.
It sounded like another pipe. All right, pump it up. That's what I'm talking about. That'll help us see what we're dealing with. Okay.
Need it over here. This thing ain't stopped, bro.
It will.
It's still going the same speed.
It'll stop. Here, leave it like that. Let it do its. Yeah, let it do its thing. It'll all come out in a minute. It's gonna have to stop. It ain't got no other choice once everything's drained.
Here it goes, get ready. Here it goes again.
Just trying to pump that old mud up.
There it goes.
Okay, so we got the drain bladder running through this pipe here where it's broke, and we're trying to clear any mud out or anything over that way towards the septic. So it's going to push everything that was in the lines towards the septic. And we're going to go on the other side of the house, and we've got mud coming out of this pipe here where it's broke. So we're going to push that out from the other side of the house with this bladder, and hopefully that will clear the lines out where the lines will be clean and we can put a rubber boot on it, put it back together. Okay, to the parts store, got a couple of rubber couplers, 4-inch rubber couplers we're going to put on there. This is our list. Gloves, bucket of rocks, more gloves, rubber coupler, 4-inch DeWalt battery, and the drill to tighten that. We got a nice little clean pallet put on the ground so we can lay on it. Little sawzall here to cut the pipes. And here's what it looks like now that there hasn't been anything running through it in a little while. Well, I say that. So we're trying to see if we can get the last little bit of water out of it, and then we're gonna put the pallet down here where we can kind of lay on our stomachs here and get this pipe replaced, get the coupler on there. About here?
Up a little, I think.
Here?
Yeah.
Here's where I need that piece, that elbow piece I was telling you about. Grab that piece of wood there. Alright.
Pulling all the junk out. Not too bad that way.
Takes a little in here. Let me get this out. Cause it ain't where I like it right now already. So it's just like it's almost a little too short for comfort. Yeah, see. Yeah.
Back this side off a little.
Well, let's say that, but I've got it just about as far as I can go. Really, it's just right here.
Maybe an
And
inch
this
more.
one's the same. I say let's cut the pipe a little bigger and just be safer about it. It's just too close, man. So we'll just that's gonna be the best way, because if it comes off with the pressure when we cover it up, I don't want to be digging it back up, do you? So I'd say we cut the pipe. I mean, even if we had an inch more than what we've got here. Whoa! Almost stepped in a hole there behind me. Woo, that would have been gross. Let's see. That right there is going to do it. I feel a lot better about that. All right, let's see what we got this time. Okay.
Now you can pull that.
Yeah, I like that a lot better. I like it so much that I'm going to pull this back out. Give myself some more slack here, and there'll be enough room to move it. There. That's where we want that. Maybe. Maybe so, maybe so. Alright, right now it's a game of don't get too far to one side.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I think we got that part. Still got a leak over here. Yeah. Oh, man. It's like, okay. It was a little tight. I'd rather have a little tight than
Get that tip.
a little loose, huh?
Yeah, for sure.
That's what he said. Okay. All right, let's fill it. Oh, man. All right, so before we do anything else,
Turn some water on through.
I'm going to go pressurize the system up with a bladder. Get some water going through it, flush it out, make sure we don't have anything dripping. And that, if everything seems okay there, then we'll start covering this hole. Well, we'll put some rock in it and then start covering this hole back up.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so this is the bladder. This is what we hook to the water hose, and then we're going to stick it inside the pipe, and this rubber thing right here expands, and when it expands, it starts it blocks the water from coming back, and it starts pushing the water through. And you know, with a deal like this, you've got you know, sewer is under no pressure at all. I mean, you know, you don't really have any pressure at all with sewer. I'll show you when you open this up how it kind of flexes, and then it fills the pipe up where the water can't come back towards you, and it just blows it through. But when you've got sewer, you don't really have any pressure. So when you put one of these on a sewer line and blow it through, it really helps. It blows that toilet paper and all that old stuff through, and sometimes it works a lot better than even using the roto-rooter. So anyways, come here and I'll show you. Okay, so here's a clean out over here. I'm going to stick this down in here and let it pressurize. Once it does, it won't come out. So it's pushing that water through now. And here's the water faucet that's coming off of. And I'm going to turn the pressure up some. Try to get the pressure up as much as we can, so we can push through any trash that's in the way. And it usually starts making a little vibration noise like that. To me, it lets me know it's working. So let's go make sure we don't have any leaks on that pipe we just replaced. All right, I see nothing.
On try.
Nothing leaking. That's what we wanted. All right, so let's go over and check this other pipe. And you can actually hear it. And sure enough, there's water flowing down in there. You guys can see it. I'm shining the flashlight there. So, let me try so that tells us that the water's flowing through. And it's going to the septic over here. That's underneath this trailer house here. They both run together. You've got this trailer house and that trailer house, and then the septic. The line goes under the ground to here and then goes to the septic. So everything seems to be flowing to the septic now. So pretty sure that was the issue with this thing. So okay, so no leaks. Good thing. I'm glad. I don't feel like messing with this thing anymore today. So what we're going to do here is we've got some little white gravel, and we're going to put the gravel down here up under the pipe so it gives it some support, and takes a lawnmower or whatever you know, runs over it, it won't crack the pipe because there's nothing underneath it. So not a whole lot of gravel there, but hopefully enough to do the trick here. Something to support it. That's what we're looking for. I feel like that'll work. So, all right, let's get all this mess cleaned up and start filling this hole in.
Hey, you hungry?
What you got?
A piece of corn.
Oh yeah, no.
It's from last night.
I think I'll pass on corn for about a month now.
Same way it came in.
Well, we got that all finished up and got out of there. We tested everything, nothing leaked. It looked really nice when we were done. The water was going down, it wasn't backed up, stopped up, anything like that. Everything was going all the way to the septic, so we got it done. Thanks for watching.